Hi, I'm Gary Cox, and welcome to Mic Drop. This is episode 4 of my uh, mini series with Kerr, the Vice President of Business Transformation at Canada Post, calling it the power of a CI culture. And I think you're going to want to hear what he has to say about the important role of training and how that should work. I hope you enjoy the episode. If you do, make sure you subscribe, like, and share it with your friends. Where does training, like, you think about the HR management system, you talk about some of the mechanisms, making sure
Yeah,
continuous improvement is a part of their performance planning and appraisal. Where do you see training on this cultural shift?
I've seen it done two ways, and I'll therefore give you my favorite, right? The first was, and again, big company thinking here, right? So we're going to do a program. Everybody's going to get training. Everybody's going to get yellow belt, a day of yellow belt training, or a day of basic operational excellence or something. And there's a big mobilization. HR is involved. Training rooms are booked. Train the trainer sessions are created, and it's all monitored and tracked. And did so and so, like how many people showed up and how many people you got through to do your training, and but interestingly, not so much emphasis on did it get applied, right? Did
Mm,
anybody actually do anything with it? Um, like the measurement was did the training get done, not did the training get used, and what did the training produce? Um, Go into an area, invest your training resources and your coaching very focused until you really get it to stick and work the way you want it to stick. Because you're probably doing 4 times as much coaching as you are doing training, and then show the fruit, and get other people to say, well, who's next, right? But that's like a flywheel effect, right? That's going to be a ton of effort to get the wheel turning, and it's not going to look like there's a lot of progress happening because you can't say you've trained 100 people, you know. But once
mm,
that flywheel actually gets going, it will start to have that real momentum that you get because the core area not only is humming away, but
mhm.
the other areas are being pulled into it as the momentum builds, and then at some point people don't want to be the ones that are left out, right? and and picking the area you're going to start, there's you don't want to pick the worst resistors, and you do want to make sure you got some conditions for success and be smart about that. But I tend to favor that. I tend to favor understand what you're trying to achieve, so pick that area, invest deeply to make sure that that area is successful, and then allow that to be the catalyst to create the momentum for others to pull training as to trying to push training.